Hi kids, it's Mrs. Essary again. I hope you guys are all staying happy, healthy, and safe. I wanted to show you guys the reading fluency that I was going to send out this week for you to practice. You don't have to, but it is good practice. This one has sound out, decodable words. You guys are going to want to think about how we air write our words a lot, and you're going to want to think like when we write it with our fingers, A, R, R. So this is the fluency page that's going to be coming in an attachment that you guys can do. Remember, you're going to want to read it out loud 4 times. That's the max you want to read anything when doing repeated readings to increase your reading fluency. And then here is the sound out fluency. So this one is a little bit easier than last week's. So this one has A-R-R. So the first thing, like you guys can tell that I did, is I highlighted the words with, remember, A-R-R. I wrote the number of words in each passage, and then I also marked some important things with the questions. So let's practice reading these words first. Ready, guys? So we're going to go R, farm. What word? Farm. Good job. R, car. What word? Car. Good job. New word. R, far. What word? Far. Good job. Remember, it says far away. Now this next one is a little harder. It's a 2-syllable word. It has an ending. R, start, started. What word, guys? Started. Very good. Now hint, hint. When you start something, you begin it. That's the first thing, remember? First thing you do. Go here. R, barn. What word, guys? Barn. Next one, next word, R, yard. What word? Yard. Next one, R, park. I wish we could play at the park. Now this one, hint, hint, this is a tricky sight word and it has an ending. L-E-A-R-N, learn, add E-D, learned. So I wrote for you, how does it sound? It sounds like learned with the E-R. And then R, farm. Now guys, how many words are in that? There's 70. Guess what? All of you guys usually read more than 70 words in a minute when you read out loud to me by the second time. So let's practice. I'm going to get my stopwatch out. I've got it right here. And I'm going to time myself. And so that your awesome parents can also see how well we do. Okay, so look, here's my cell phone if you guys can see it. And I'm going to go to stopwatch and I'm going to hit start. And then I'm going to read it out loud. Okay, ready? Here we go. So I read, we went to visit the farm. We spent a long time in the car because the farm was far away. We started our visit by looking at the barn. There were so many animals at the barn. Next, we played in the yard. It was as big as a park. So guys, what size was it? How big was it? Then we learned how to take care, and I also did care with air for you because that's hard. A-R-E says R, but on here it says air care of the animals. We felt so smart after our visit to the farm. Oh, look at my stopwatch, guys. I'm not done yet. So I go back up to the top and I read it again. We went to visit the farm. We spent a long time in the car. Okay, time. So guys, on here, I read the second time up to 14. So if you have a marker, you can take it. And what is 70 plus 14, guys? It's 84. So I'm going to come over here to my fluency. And with my highlighter on 1, I'm going to color up to above 80. And I'm going to write 84 for 84. Now, are we done yet? No, this is an easier one for you guys. So I added in some questions. Question 1. What was the first thing they looked at? That's why I said started was a key word. The first thing they looked at was blank. You guys tell me. How big was the yard? What did I draw in a box, guys? How big? That's a size question word. So the yard was as big as blank. So we know they had a huge yard. How big was it? And then number 3, why? Why questions are harder because you got to think even more. Do you think they felt smart? Well, a lot of times, guys, you feel smart when you learn something. So what did they learn how to do? They felt smart because they blank. Okay, so I am going to send this out to your parents. It's great fluency practice and great phonics practice. You don't have to do it, but if you can, that would be fabulous to keep up our phonics and our fluency skills. Okay, bye, guys, and I hope to see you soon. Let me say hi. Okay, bye, guys.